When you enter a password on the website while using Google Chrome, the browser asks you, do you want to save the password for future use? If you agree, Google Chrome will store the password in its built-in password manager. In this video, I want to show you how you can see saved password in Google Chrome. Let's go! Open Google Chrome. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. Then select Settings. In the Setting menu, select Autofill and Passwords. Select Google Password Manager. Now you can see a list of websites with saved usernames and passwords. To view a specific username and password, click on the website that you want. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to enter the device password. Okay, now we can see username and click on the eye icon to see password. Thanks for watching. Bye.